Hi. We're with the car. Okay, now do we have to walk?
Yeah.
Hi, Olive.
Hello.
She's so excited by all the people. Yeah, so excited.
Hey guys, so we decided to come to the park today where they're doing the Heart and Stroke Walk, and this is for the American Heart Association, bringing awareness to Sacramento County, and Scarlett is going to do some amazing stuff. Let's go follow her on her journey at the walk.
I'm about to run into a tree. It's a very nice tree. We're at the park. You might be able to hear the music. The music's very loud.
These are arteries. This is what the inside of the heart looks like. Okay, so here's what you do. Wait 1 second. So you gotta step in the tires with your feet, right? Across the balance beam, around that red pole, jump over all these, right? Around this yellow pole. Then you...
Daddy, look at me! It's kind of like what we do at golf. It's kind of like what we do at golf.
Excellent job. Here's your medal. There you go. Good job.
Here's your medal.
You can do it again if you want.
I did it.
I'll be right back. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Statistics. Bring awareness to what we can do.
So we are going to go check out the pond. That's probably where all those geese came from. Oh, I just saw something. He's scared. See another one.
So guys, I think we just bounced off this. There's so many crawfish here. We've never seen this many crawfish.
I will get you. You won't get me, camera.
He's not scared.
What is he trying to do?
I think he's trying to scare you away.
And hit that bell and subscribe.
These guys respond to whistling.
It's a white one. Oh wow, he knows.
You guys are huge. After we stuck this GoPro in the pond, I'm gonna wash it off.
We're back with someone else. Which one is it?
Want to see if you can
It's
spin a
12.
wheel? Go ask him.
Free Viper way back. Oh, that's cool.
There you go. You're welcome.
We just showed them our receipt, and this is what I want.